On April 11, 1970, Apollo 13 rose into the sky atop a Saturn V rocket, the most powerful machine ever built. Its destination was the Moon. Its crew, Jim Lovell, veteran astronaut, Jack Swigert, command module pilot, and Fred Hayes, lunar module pilot. For NASA, it was meant to be a routine mission. For the world, it would become a fight for survival beyond the reach of Earth. The launch was smooth. The spacecraft glided into the silent darkness of space, its blue home shrinking behind it. The astronauts settled into their tasks, running checks, joking, filming for the world below. Everything seemed perfect. But 55 hours into the mission, as Apollo 13 drifted nearly 300,000 kilometers from Earth, Mission Control asked Swigert to stir the oxygen tanks, a simple maintenance command. Seconds later, the calm of space was broken by a violent bang. Lights flickered. Alarms screamed. The spacecraft rocked as if struck by an invisible hammer. "Houston," Swigert radioed, "we've had a problem here. An oxygen tank, the heart of the ship's power and life support systems, had exploded, tearing open the service module and crippling the spacecraft." Warning indicators lit up like a constellation of danger. Pressure plummeted. Electric power drained. And with it, their moon landing vanished. Apollo 13 was no longer a mission. It was an emergency. The crew retreated into the lunar module, a lander designed for 2 men for just a few days, now forced to keep 3 men alive for the journey home. Inside, temperatures dropped near freezing. Moisture formed on every surface. The astronauts could see their breath as they fought to preserve power, water, and oxygen. Mission Control in Houston, flight directors, engineers, mathematicians worked around the clock. Every problem had to be solved with what was already on board. No new parts, no rescue ships, just intellect, courage, and speed. One of the greatest challenges came from rising carbon dioxide levels. The command module and lunar module used different filters, and the square canisters didn't fit into the round openings of the lander. The crew was instructed to build an adapter using hoses, plastic bags, tape, and the pages of a flight manual. It worked. Human ingenuity had saved human life, but danger wasn't finished. To return to Earth, Apollo 13 needed a precise burn of its descent engine, done manually, with Earth positioned exactly in the window as a visual guide. Any deviation by degrees or even seconds could send them past Earth forever. Lovell held the spacecraft steady, eyes locked on the blue crescent of home. Hayes and Swigert timed the burn,